Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some spring 2023 hairstyle ideas. We start things off with this beautiful bob haircut transformation. The stylist is doing an absolutely beautiful asymmetrical bob haircuts. Beautiful side swept bangs in the front portion of the hair. Stunning. And then we have a 90s inspired blowout. Love her hair color. It is a nice mix of orange and blonde. So pretty, absolutely gorgeous. Love the way that the style came out and the color looks amazing. So then we have some beautiful butterfly layers being added to the client's hair with this next haircut transformation. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So the stylist is doing a blowout for this particular hairstyle, and she has gorgeous ginger reddish brown colored hair. The stylist was able to give the client so much volume within that haircut. She looks absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we have another bob haircut transformation. Gorgeous, nice, classic bob haircuts. And then we move on to another stunning layered hairstyle. Absolutely gorgeous. Love how the color looks mixed in with the curls. And then we see another bob haircut transformation. This one is of a longer bob, and it also features bangs. And then we have another gorgeous layered haircut. So let me know in the comments below, what hairstyle will you be rocking this spring? And if you want to see more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.